Welcome back to my brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show that how to make your Facebook profile private or unlock. So if you are new in my video, so first of all you subscribe my YouTube channel and also like, comment in my video. So let's start with continue our video without wasting our time. First of all you open your Facebook profile. So in the right side upper corner you see three lines. You simply type on these three lines. When you type on these three lines, scroll down and the privacy and setting option, you simply type on this setting and privacy, and again you see the setting option, you simply type on this setting option. When you type on this setting option, here you will see the lot of options. Simply you scroll down and you see the option of profile locking. Here you will see the profile locking, you simply type on this. When you type on this, you see that you lock your profile. So what you have to do, you lock your profile. So click on this lock your profile. He will ask that you locked your profile. Only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. So you simply type on this OK. So your profile will be locked successfully. You have locked your profile.